everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to add the subscription button to your YouTube channel. All you have to do is go to YouTube Studio and you have to come to Creator Studio Classic and you can choose Other, Submit. And there we have a channel, so you have to choose this one. Branding, so you can do the branding, and this is my YouTube channel subscription button, but you can remove, I can remove that and I can add it back. So all you have to do is add watermark, and there's a condition that you have to follow. It should have no background, it should be clear, either like this or like that. I have already saved that. You can get it from Google. You can search for PNG pictures. You can type like YouTube subscription button PNG. Save. So this is the watermark. It's going to be in all videos that I'm going to upload, and you have the option to keep it at the end of the video, custom start time, or entire video. I'm going to choose for entire video, so anyone can click that one and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And once I go back to my channel, so I can go home page, if I go to my channel and go to my videos, I can see this one. This is the subscription button, and you can add or remove. That's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like, please press the like button, and if you help me with subscribing to my YouTube channel, that would be great. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.